Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name's Tiara. I hope that you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are an OGT, then you know how I feel about you. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure that you like the video and leave a comment down below. So it is, I'm acting like I gotta watch y'all. So it is Monday. I'm on my lunch break. I'm about to meal prep my salads. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys that. I think I'm about to season cook my put my chicken in the oven, and then meal prep my lettuce, my tomato, my onions, my cucumbers for my salads for meal prepping. So let's get that started. I need to wash up some dishes in the kitchen really quick because I need to rinse my chicken, because if you don't rinse your chicken, I don't know what you're doing. So I need to rinse my chicken, but I got to clean the dishes that are in the sink first. So let me go ahead and do that.
I don't even know why I'm here. You've been so distant lately, taking your time, losing my mind.
Alright, you guys, so I'm about to squeeze some lemon over the chicken. I'm trying to get into the habit of adding, juices and things to lemon juice and stuff to our meat, because especially with the Rona whooping everybody's butt, I want to add some lemon juice on here. Butter in my chicken, it helps to keep it moist. So I pour butter on top. You don't have to add the butter.
I'ma get out. I wonder what will happen to us. Will we be friends or strangers? Feeling left out, losing our time. I miss how you make me laugh, how you make me lose my mind. You make my life every day. You said that I already know it better.
I got the lettuce all prepped. Now we're gonna move on to the veggies. So I just have a cucumber that I'm gonna peel because I don't like the skin of cucumbers. I love this peeler. I got this peeler from Aldi's years ago. I need to go back to Aldi's. You guys, you know what? I have not been shopping at Aldi's lately. And I used to love Aldi's. I don't know why I stopped shopping there, but I'm gonna have to start back. I don't know why I stopped shopping at Aldi's. Aldi's was my store. If you know me, you know that, baby, I was an avid Aldi's person. I was shopping at Aldi's before it was cool. I loved Aldi's. I mean, we ate Aldi's food as a kid. So why I stopped shopping there, I don't know. Did I betray them? Y'all, so my son just got home from school and he said, "Look at you, mama, meal prepping. Look at you taking control of your life." That's right, mama. Y'all, I love my son. He is so funny. He is so funny, and it made me feel good for him to see me actually really wanting to change. So that was funny.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up one night.
So we have our cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions. You guys, here is my finished chicken breast. It has a nice crispy top, and it's still juicy on there from the butter and the chicken stock.
That season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Waiting on Feeling like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Feeling like you're wasting every
Because I love you
time.
guys.
Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Feeling like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Feeling like
Hey, that's how it looks. Look at it. It looks so freaking good. It's making me excited to eat. I got some color. I got some carbs. I got some protein. Like, I got my veggies. I'm excited, you guys. I'm really excited. All right, guys, I'm looking busted and disgusted because I've been cooking all day. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this meal prep with me. I'm trying to find the light, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this meal prep with me video. I hope that you guys got some ideas for some meals. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please make sure that you like the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me clean your face. Hold on. Leave a comment. There I am. Leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. You guys, I am so excited and proud of myself that I like don't look at my blinds, y'all. I'm changing out my blinds, okay? I just got my kitchen blind changed out. I'm no longer looking like the ghetto house on the block. But anyway, I am so glad that I did that, y'all. Like, I'm so glad that I like meal prepped and like I did it. I put my mind to it and I did it. So I'm really proud of myself. It's the little things, like, y'all have no idea how much this means to me. I don't think I've ever done this before in my life, so this is definitely a first for me and it won't be a last. I'm looking forward to being able to go into the kitchen and like eat the food that I already have prepared, not have to really think about it, not have to run anywhere and go and get anything because it's food at the house. So I prepped enough just to last me until Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, to last me till Thursday. So that's good for me. So because on Fridays we typically eat out, so Fridays is like our eat out day, and then Saturday and Sunday I can meal prep again. So I am so excited, you guys. I'm really proud of myself. Leave some like meal ideas down below. If you are meal prepping, let me know what you're meal prepping, what you're eating. I'm always looking for new recipes to try and to have, so let me know in the comments if you're meal prepping, what you're having and what you're eating. Yeah, you guys, that's it. You made it to the end of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, you made it this far, you're the real MVP. I appreciate you so much. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos that I'm putting out, y'all. I'm really trying. Okay, this is hard. All right, I've been filming and cooking all day, all right, and working, okay, because I got a whole job, but I did it. So yeah, yes, leave y'all comments down below. Let me know what y'all think. I need some lip gloss, honey. Anyway, okay, y'all, I'm about to go because I'm rambling. Okay, bye, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like it. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I love you guys. I will see you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.